Today we are going to see gynecology and obstetrics 100 questions. Ectopic pregnancy is associated with salpingitis, IUCD and plastic procedure in tube. Absolute contraindication for OCP, CED, migraine and epilepsy. Unruptured tubal ectopic pregnancy is best diagnosed by USG. Polyhydramnios occurs in multiple pregnancy, diabetic mellitus, anencephaly and toxemia and tracheoesophystula. Ideal contraception in a woman in RHT rheumatic heart disease is barrier contraception. Patient comes with gravida for life in 22 weeks of pregnancy. In carcinoma, insular treatment of choice is allow the baby to born and then in hysterectomy. Commonest cause of pyometria is CA endometrium. Postpartum VVF is best required after 6 weeks. Treatment for CA cervix stage 1 is Bethem's hysterectomy. Wilding's masculinizing tumors of ovary is Lillian cell, adrenal tumors of ovary, gynecoblastoma, adenoblastoma. Feminizing tumor of ovary is granular cell tumor, theca cell tumor. Amount of amniotic fluid at 12 weeks of pregnancy is 50 ml. Most common presentation in anencephaly is phase. Chromosome number for identiform mole is 46XX. Characteristic of XO chromosomal defect is short stature, web neck, infertility, widely spaced nipple. Vaginal pH in newborn is 7. Percentage of women who deliver on EDD is 4%. Shortest diameter of pelvic outlet is posterior sagittal diameter. Most important diameter of pelvic inlet is diagonal conjugate. Contraindication of ergometrium is out disease. Perimalignant lesion of vulva is leukoplakia. Commonest type of vectors presentation is left occipital anterior. Shows sign of fetal distress is fetal ECG is late declaration. HCG disappears from the maternal urine after 48 hours after delivery. Peak level of HCG in urine are seen after 90 days of pregnancy. Total duration of pregnancy is 280 days. Treatment of clostridial infection of the uterus post abortion is hysterectomy. Quickening can be felt at 16 weeks of pregnancy. Ultrasound detection of fetal heart movements can be done at 8 weeks. Fetal clap blood pH is used to determine fetal hypoxia. Higger sign can be elicited by 8 weeks. Best parameter measured by ultrasound to assess fetal maturity is crown rump length. Common site of endometriosis is ovary. Treatment of choice of endometriosis at younger age of G in RH analogs. Lymphatic drainage of vulva is 2. Lingual lymph nodes. Classical cesarean section is indicated in a patient with CA cervix. CA cervix is caused by papovirus. CA cervix is associated with multiparity herpes simplex virus, early coitus and diabetic mellitus. Trial of labor is contraindicated in severe PET, early priming, gravida, major disproportion. Coagulation disorders are seen in IUD, PPH and amniotic fluid embolism. Laparoscopic sterilization is contraindicated in gynecological tumors. Signs of pelvic TB, infertility, amenorrhea, foul smell, discharge. Commonest and largest of ovarian tumors, pseudomeconication cyst adenoma. Source of HCG is syncytiotropoblast. Best method to confirm CA cervix is cervical biopsy. Best method to prevent postcoital pregnancy is IUCD. OCP prevent pregnancy by inhibition of ovulation by inhibiting releases of LH. OCPs are contraindicated in hypertension, fibroid, thromboembolism. Deep transverse arrest occurs in android pelvics. Best investigation to identify tubal patency is laparoscopic and chromotubation. Earliest menopausal symptom is hot flushes. Most common chronic symptom in PIG is backache. Elderly woman in recurrent swelling and paining in vulva is Bartholin's cyst. Treatment of acute hydramnios is respiratory depression is amniosynthesis. CCF is most likely in pregnancy at first stage of labor. Red degradation of fibroid is associated with pregnancy. Commonest cause of maternal mortality is severe anemia. Implantation bleeding is called Atman's sign. Most common type of female pelvic is gynecoid. Most common type of postpartum endometriosis is streptococcus. Most common type of acute cervicitis is gonococcus. Longest diameter of fetal skull is submental vertical. Fungal uveitis is associated with diabetes. All external bodies are seen in granular cell tumors. Post-abortal sepsis causing renal failure is likely to due to Clostridium. Most common malignancy metastasis to the placenta is melanoma. Average pressures of uterine contraction during first stage of labor is 30 mm Hg. Patient is tenile limithial syndrome is treated by clomiphene citrate. Most important structure preventing uterine prolapse is cardinal ligamentum. Corresponding vas in males which structure penetrates the lingual ring in female is round ligament. Commonest presenting complaint in gynecology department, leukokaria. Precious puberty is puberty before 8 years. Commonest cause of PPH is uterine anatomy. Commonest cause of predisposing puerperal syphilis is poor nutrition. Best method to diagnose identified mole is USG. Treatment of Asherman syndrome is DNC and IUCD infection. Most serious complication of clomiphene therapy for indication of ovulation is hyperstimulation syndrome. Failure rate after tubal sterilization in pyometric technique is 0.4%. Earliest symptom of CA cervix is bleeding PV. Eclampsia is differentiated pre-eclampsia by convolutions. Commonest type of presentation is vertex. Commonest malignancy of body of the uterus is adenocarcinoma. Spontaneous abortion commonly occur during second month. Carniculin myoformis is diagnostic of previous childbirth. Common site of genital tuberculosis is human in tubes. Amount of blood loss during each menstruation period is 50 cc. Vaginal bleeding in a neonate is commonly due to hormonal withdrawal. Chemotherapy of choriocarcinoma is methotrexate. Commonest congenital anomaly of uterus is uterus bicornis unicolis. Important post-operative management of CA, VVF, CBD. Commonest manifestation of endometriosis is pain. Coliform citrate is the drug of choice of renal liventless syndrome. Painless vaginal bleeding at 34 weeks is treated by rest and sedation. HCG is secreted by syncytiotropoblast. Love set maneuver is used to delivery arms. Commonest complication of identiform mole is sepsis. Deep transverse arrest occurs often in sacro-posterior cushion. Best contraceptive for 20 years is nullified pills. Endometriosis is mostly occur in nullified women. Commonest organism causing PID is gonococcus. Multiple births are commonest amongst negroes. Length of female urethra is 40 mm. Commonest complication of pregnancy in India is anemia. Cervical incompetence is treated by Chicorder, McCordell, Wormer.